15 hobbies that replace scrolling and actually improve your life. First, building something online. A page, a brand, or a side hustle, anything. Right now, online business is booming, and people are building income from their phones. So if you're still just consuming, you're already falling behind. Second, boxing or any combat sport. This changes you. You learn control, pressure, and how to stay calm under stress. You stop feeling weak, mentally and physically. Third, chess or strategy games. This trains you to think before acting. Instead of reacting emotionally like most people, you start making smarter decisions. Fourth, recording yourself. Watch how you speak and behave. Notice the hesitation, the awkwardness. It's uncomfortable, but that's exactly why it works. You can't improve what you don't see. Fifth, communication practice. If you can't express clearly, no one listens. Most people are ignored because of this. Fix how you speak, and you change how people see you. Sixth, running. Running teaches you one thing. Your mind will lie to you when things get hard, and discipline is choosing to keep going anyway. Seventh, high-income skills. Learn something that actually pays you. Pick something valuable. AI, coding, or content creation, because effort without direction is useless. Eighth, learning sales or persuasion. Money and opportunities come from influence. If you can't persuade, you'll always depend on others. Master this, and you start gaining real control. Ninth, learning to negotiate. Life doesn't give you what you deserve. It gives you what you negotiate. Prices, respect, opportunities, everything. Stay silent, and you accept less. 10th, strength training. Gym or body weight, just get stronger. When your body gets stronger, your mind follows. Confidence isn't built by thinking, it's built through action. 11th, walking without your phone. No music, no distraction, just silence. If this feels hard, you're addicted, and this is exactly how you fix it. 12th, writing daily. Ideas become clear when you write them down. Clarity comes from seeing your own thoughts. This sharpens how you think. 13th, reading. Not random content, read with purpose. Learn things that actually upgrade your thinking, because your mindset shapes your entire life. 14th, video editing. You already spend hours watching content. Imagine if even 10% of that time went into creating. That's how you turn distraction into a real asset. 15th, journaling. Write what's actually in your head. Not pretty words, not fake positivity, real thoughts. That's how you clear your mind. You don't need all 15. Pick 2 or 3 and actually stick to them. Comment the 2 hobbies you're choosing, because your life won't change from watching. It changes when you start doing. Subscribe.